Who can I call to do drywall repair? Hi guys, it's Jake with LP Painting. Today we're going to be going over who you can call to get some drywall repair done. Most painting companies, ours included, will handle some small drywall repair. It's part of our process to just go through a house and make sure all the nail holes are patched, any gouges in the wall. We take care of all that stuff and make sure the walls are as smooth as can be before we go ahead and paint. Now, getting into larger drywall projects like drywalling an entire basement or just any area that has not yet been drywalled, painters don't typically do that. We leave that to the drywallers. All right, I hope you found that helpful. If you're in the York or Lancaster area and need a paint job, please feel free to reach out, or if you have any questions, we're here to help.